Hi guys, welcome back to Fixin' Stuff. As you might have seen from the short that I posted earlier, the foam showed up a day early, so I figured we'd get it on the CNC, start cutting it tonight. I'll run you through a little bit of this cutting. I've got the sound off for the video because that CNC router is pretty loud and it just made for some bad audio because every time I'd talk, the mic would cut out the sound, but as soon as I talked, it would bring the sound of the router back in with it, and it was just overwhelming and annoying. So I'll just bring you back in here, show you a little bit of this. You can see the blue painter's tape I have there. I've got centers marked for each end of the piece and a center for the middle of the piece. With this being 52 inches long, it's too long for my work table, so I have to basically make two programs, one for each end, and then once I run one end, I'll have to shut it down, flip it around, tram it back in, and run the other end. You can see here I've got it running kind of slow right now. I ended up speeding it up a little bit because it's not really throwing any chips. And this foam, it gets hot and it'll actually melt if you're not running it fast enough. So I sped up the feed on it a little bit. I'm running about 200 inches a minute at 16,000 RPMs with a 1/4 inch 3-fluted end mill. An O-flute mill or an upcut mill would have been a lot better for this, but I didn't have one. So we just ran with a straight flat bottom end mill on this. Here you can see where we're cutting out the shallow 1/2 inch drive chrome pockets. Okay guys, we got it all cut. Moment of truth. Does it fit in the drawer? Like a glove. Have it. I can't believe how well this turned out. I am really happy with it, how neat that looks. And what do you know? Somebody needs to make a trip to Harbor Freight tomorrow. I cut some pockets while I already had it mounted to the CNC for some 1/2 inch drive extensions, because that's the one thing this drawer doesn't have. We got our ratchet wiper here and a little bit of a void. I might do some measuring and see if the little 1/4 inch drive meme set fits there. If so, I'll cut that out. There it is, guys. Harbor Freight, if you're watching this, hit me up. I've got some pretty amazing ideas when it comes to this stuff right here. I'm not going to share it right now. Love to partner with you on some future toolbox organizations and builds. Thank you for watching, everybody. This has been a lot of fun, and hopefully you guys are all inspired on possibly making your own socket drawer organizer. It really isn't that hard if you've got the time. Thanks for watching, guys.